22,000, 23 on the floor, will you give me 24? Look at 24, 24, will you give me 25? Look at 25,000, will you give me 25? Will you give me 25,000? Will you give me 25,000 now? 24,000, I'm bid. Look at 25, look at 25. Are we all in and done, ladies and gentlemen? At 25, will you give me 26? 26, 27, 28, look at the 28,000, will you give me 28, will you give me 29, look at 29,000, will you give me 29, will you give me 29,000, will you give me 29, will you give me 30, 30,000, will you give me, ladies and gentlemen, my bids on the left hand side for 30,000, pull up, hammers up, going once, going twice, so 30,000 pull up buys. Buy number 8, thank you very much. You're going to lose it, sir. 18,000 I have. Looking for 19, will you give me 19,000, will you give me 19, will you give me 19,000 now? Looking for 19, looking for 19. Are we all in and done, ladies and gentlemen? 18,000 I have at the bottom. Last call for 19. Hammers up. 19, will you give me 20, 20. 21 I have. Looking for 22. Hammers up for 21. Going once. Going twice. Hammers up, sir, for 21. Disorder. I need to give the gentleman the first option, but I'm a long way from the reserve. So will you give me 45? Will you give me 45,000? 45 I have. Will you give me 50? 48? Look for 48,000. Will you give me 48? Will you give me 50? Look for 50,000. Will you give me 50? Will you give me 50,000? Will you give me 50? 48,000 I paid online. Look for 50,000. Will you give me 50? Will you give me 50,000? Will you give me 50,000 now? 48,000 online. Look for 50. Will you give me 50? Will you give me 50,000? Will you give me 50? 50,000. Will you give me 50? 50,000 I have. Will you give me 52? Look for 52,000. Will you give me 50? 52 I have online. Will you give me 55? Look for 55. Will you give me 55? Will you give me 1,000? Will you give me 58? Will you give me 58 I have online. Will you give me 60? Look for 60,000. Will you give me 60? Will you give me 60,000? Will you give me 60? Will you give me 60,000 now? Look for 60,000. 58,000 I have online. Look for 60,000. Will you give me 60? Will you give me 60? 60 I have on the floor. Will you give me 62? Look for 62,000. 62 online. Will you give me 65? 65 on the floor, will you give me 68? Look for 68,000, will you give me 68? Will you give me 68? Will you give me 70? Look for 70,000, will you give me 70? Will you give me 70,000? Will you give me 70,000 now? Look for 70,000, 68,000 I have online. 70, will you give me 70? I have on the floor, will you give me 72? Look for 72,000, will you give me 72? 72, 70,000 I have on the floor. Look at the 72, will you give me 72? Will you give me 72,000? Will you give me 72? Will you give me 72,000 now? Will you give me 72? Will you give me 72,000? 70,000 I have on the floor. Looking for 72,000. Asking 72. 72, will you give me 72? Will you give me 72,000? Will you give me 72? Will you give me 72,000? Will you give me 72,000 now? Look for 72,000. 72,000. 72,000. Are we all in and done, ladies and gentlemen, with 70,000 pull-up floor bid? I'm going to ask permission to sell. Going once, going twice. So, 70,000 pull-up buys.